local trains via the Lexington Avenue line. The next stop is Grand Central, 42nd Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
This is a Bronx-bound 2 local train via the Lexington Avenue line. The next stop is 125th Street.
Transfer is available 4, 5, and 6 trains.
Transfer is available to the M60 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Connection is available to Metro North. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the front of the platform.
This is a Bronx-bound 2 local train via the Lexington Avenue line. The next stop is 138th Street, Grand Concourse. This is a Wakefield-bound 2 train. The next stop is 149th Street, Grand Concourse.